Good day guys, Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love cars, DIYs, or anything car related, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so it's been a while, but I've been receiving a lot of requests to make this video. A lot of you guys are asking how do we replace the wiper blades for Hyundai Eon or any car in particular. Okay, so this would be a short video, a quick video, since it's pretty easy to do. All you need to have would be just your hands and of course the brand new wiper blades that you will be using.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so this would be your wiper blades. I won't be replacing mine right now since they're fairly new, but I'm gonna show you how to remove and reinstall the wiper blades themselves. Okay, so first is you need to put the wiper arms on upright position. Okay, so you will see the wiper arm, the edge, and then you'll see the clip for the wiper blades. Okay, so this is how you when you buy a brand new wiper blade, it comes with different type of clips depending on the wiper arm that you'll be installing it to. So for this one, since we do have a clip type wiper arm, so we'll be using the clip type adapter like this. So when you buy a new wiper blade, it should look like this. Okay, like that. And then this is how you install the adapter. Okay, like that. And then make sure that you place the clip itself. It has a groove to lock it in place. Right. There you go. And then to install this is we're just gonna reverse the process, so you can clean this area and lubricate it, and just lock it in place. So there you go. So for the other or the passenger side, it's actually the same. So just pull it down, pull down and press the clip right here, so it would be much easier. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how. So push the clip, so press on the clip like this one, press on this, and then pull it down. Okay, so it's much easier if you're using both hands, but let me try one hand. There we go. See, that's how easy it is. So then that's how you install it back. So the size of the wiper blades for Hyundai Eon would be 14 and 21 or 22. So this one is 14 and 21. That's the one I'm using. And also guys, you should replace your wiper blade once a year To be specific, every rainy season, because on summertime, most of the time, the wiper blade becomes brittle and is not as effective as a new one. So for safety reasons, please, when rainy season comes, replace your wiper blade. So this one is a Circuit brand. I purchased that for I think 150 bucks each. Yeah, and it's easy to replace. It's cheap, so would suggest again to replace it once a year. That's it for today, guys. I hope you loved the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button. Again, this is Mark. Thank you so much for joining me today, and see you guys on the next vlog.